Hey everyone, it's 350Z here again. Gonna make a little how-to video on removing the drive shaft on a 350Z. Doing a new clutch install, so I gotta pull the trans, and to get that out, first we're gonna take the drive shaft out. So first step is jack your car up. I'm using 6-ton jacks just to get it high enough in the air so I have some more room to work under it. And then there's gonna be 4 bolts holding the drive shaft to the differential, and we're going to work on getting them off first. Alright, so here we have it. There's 4 bolts on it. Both sides are 17. I would have liked to use a power tool on the right side here, but I didn't have an extension and I couldn't fit it. But the ratchet barely fits and the wrench fits fine. So you just put them on. I have the car in neutral. Mine weren't too tight. If they are tight, you will have to put it in gear and then spin it once you get them out. But you'll just pull up on the left side and push down on the right side. And then we'll just, they should just come off. There we go. And then once it's started, you can just unscrew it by hand. And then once that's done, the drive shaft just pulls out of the transmission. So you'll just undo these, slip it down, and then you're going to have to pull your drive shaft over this this bracket where your exhaust is, and it should all fit out. And there you have it. There's how to remove your drive shaft on your Nissan 350Z. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. I'll be finishing up the clutch install this weekend, and hopefully everything goes right and then I can get it back on the road. Thanks again, guys.